Today I'm going to walk you through the installation process of the public preview release of Windows 11. So first of all, you want to make sure that your computer meets the minimum requirements. There is a full list of compatible CPUs on Microsoft website, but to make it easier you can just install the compatibility checkup from Windows. You can find the link in the description. Anything newer than 8th generation Intel Core CPUs and Ryzen 2000 from AMD should be fine. And you also need the TPM, the Trusted Platform Module, which you might need to activate from your motherboard if it's not already active. After the installation, you can click on Check Now here on the top of the PC health. And if you get a pop-up like this one, your PC is good to go. Otherwise, there will be the detailed explanation of why it's not compatible. You might only need to activate the Trusted Platform module from your motherboard. Now, to be able to download the preview version of Windows 11, the first thing we need to do is to enroll into Windows Insider program. To do so, you will need a Microsoft account, which is free. You can create one on the website if you don't already own one. Then you can click on Start, Settings, Privacy, Diagnostic and Feedback, and make sure that this option is enabled, Optional diagnostic data. If you only have the required one, you won't be able to enroll into the Insider program, so select the optional. Then you can go back, head to Update and Security, Windows Insider program, and click on Get Started. Click on Link an account. You can select the account you already used on your computer or log in with another one, then click Continue. Now you want to select the release version, and we want the dev channel, so the first one. Click Confirm, Confirm again, and then Restart Now. Once restart is completed, you can go to Windows Update and check for updates. After a while, you should get something like this, Windows 11 Insider Preview. And now you just need to wait for the preview to download and install. Once completed, click on Restart Now and wait for the process to finish. And that's it. When your computer is done restarting, you should be logged into Windows 11. And you should see a desktop like this one, with the Start down in the middle. If you don't like it there in the middle of the taskbar, you can still move it down to the left, where you're used to. So you just right click on the taskbar and click Taskbar Settings. Then on the bottom, Taskbar Behaviors. And you can select whether you want it in the center or left, as usual. That's it. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe if you want more videos on tech stuff, Windows 11 or gaming.